got this.
Nah, I don't think you got this. How's it taste?
Good.
I bet it's good. Is it cinnamony? Wait, let's get a close up on that. Yay! Oh.
I can do it. It burns so bad.
That wasn't a good noise. That's the sound of failure.
I don't want to swallow. It's chewy. It's almost gone.
Just swallow it. Did you seriously do it?
That was gross.
I bet. My
I
turn.
did it.
My turn.
Yeah.
Cinnamon challenge. Yay! Are you ready?
I'm ready.
You spilled cinnamon all over the floor.
This is really good quality. This camera.
It's HD. That's what you get from a flip. I'm scared.
It's chewy. Nope. More interesting. Just kidding.
Should I do it now?
Yeah.
Right now?
Right now.
Right now?
Right now.
Really dry.
There's cinnamon in the air.
Delicious.
Did you do it? Oh. Don't throw up. Imagine doing this with nutmeg. We would get high. Nope. Don't do it. When you take a picture of a guy, you take a picture with their entire head. But when you take a picture of a girl, you like cut it off so you can see their boobs.